In the hallowed halls of Spollen County's judicial chambers, the second day of the misconduct hearing against District Attorney Vonnie Willis unfolded with the weight of impending judgment. The courtroom, a stage for the unfolding drama of legal intricacies and personal entanglements, bore witness to a spectacle that would reverberate far beyond its walls. As the day dawned, anticipation hung heavy in the air, mingling with the scent of legal briefs and the tension of unresolved questions. The central issue at hand, the alleged misconduct of District Attorney Willis and its potential ramifications on the prosecution of former President Donald Trump and others implicated in election interference, loomed large, casting a long shadow over the proceedings. The morning session commenced with the solemnity befitting a courtroom, as witnesses were called to the stand one by one, each bearing testimony that would shape the narrative of the hearing. Among them stood Terrence Bradley, a figure of significance in Willis's professional and personal orbit. As Willis's former law partner and divorce attorney, Bradley held a unique perspective on the inner workings of her world, a perspective shrouded in the cloak of attorney-client privilege. Bradley's testimony, or rather his steadfast refusal to testify, spoke volumes about the complexities of legal ethics and the sanctity of confidential communications. Despite relentless questioning from the defense, Bradley remained resolute, invoking the shield of privilege to safeguard the confidences shared between attorney and client. His silence, punctuated only by the rhythmic tapping of a pen against the witness stand, underscored the legal quagmire surrounding the Willis-Wade relationship. As the day progressed, a parade of witnesses followed in Bradley's wake, each adding their own brushstroke to the canvas of courtroom drama. Among them was Robin Y., a confidant of Willis whose testimony offered a divergent narrative from the one presented by the accused parties. According to Y., the Willis-Wade relationship had its genesis in 2019, a revelation that contradicted the timeline put forth by Willis and Wade themselves. The emergence of conflicting testimonies lent an air of intrigue to the proceedings, as attorneys on both sides scrambled to reconcile disparate accounts and craft a cohesive narrative. In the crucible of cross-examination, the truth became a shifting mirage, elusive and ever-changing, as witnesses navigated the minefield of memory and interpretation. Yet, amidst the legal maneuvering and strategic posturing, a more profound implication loomed: the potential impact of the hearing on the integrity of the district attorney's office and the pursuit of justice. Legal experts, like Emory law professor John Acedo, offered sobering insight into the broader ramifications of the proceedings, cautioning that the spectacle could tarnish the reputation of the office and prejudice future jurors against the prosecution. The conjured narrative of financial improprieties and governmental waste, woven through the fabric of testimony, threatened to poison the well of public opinion, casting doubt on the integrity of the district attorney's office and its ability to pursue justice impartially. The implications were far-reaching, extending beyond the confines of the courtroom to shape the course of legal proceedings and public perception for days to come. As the day drew to a close, the courtroom buzzed with speculation and anticipation, the outcome of the hearing hanging like a sword of Damocles over the district attorney's office. With bated breath, spectators awaited a ruling, a verdict that would reverberate far beyond the walls of the courthouse, shaping the course of legal proceedings and public perception for days to come. In the midst of the legal maelstrom, one thing remained certain: the Willis-Wade saga had transcended the confines of a mere courtroom drama, evolving into a gripping tale of power, privilege, and the precarious balance between justice and political expediency. As the sun set on another day of testimony, the eyes of Spollen County remained fixed on the unfolding drama, eager for the next chapter in this enthralling saga of legal intrigue. Beyond the confines of the courtroom, the Willis-Wade saga echoed through the corridors of power and the halls of justice, stirring debate and speculation among pundits, politicians, and the public at large. The intricacies of the case, with its tangled web of personal relationships and professional obligations, captivated the imagination of a nation, offering a glimpse into the inner workings of the legal system and the individuals who inhabit it. As the story unfolded, it became clear that the Willis-Wade saga was more than just a legal battle. It was a reflection of broader societal tensions and the complexities of human nature. The characters involved, Willis, Wade, Bradley, and others, emerged as symbols of ambition, integrity, and the inherent contradictions of the human experience. With each new revelation and twist in the tale, the narrative grew richer and more nuanced, inviting speculation and interpretation from all corners. Legal scholars analyzed the intricacies of attorney-client privilege, while armchair detectives dissected the motives and machinations of the key players. In living rooms and boardrooms across the country, the Willis-Wade saga became the topic of conversation, a shared experience that transcended geographic and cultural boundaries. Yet, amidst the speculation and debate, one question loomed large: what would be the ultimate outcome of the Willis-Wade saga, and what would it mean for the future of justice and democracy in America? As the drama played out in real time, the eyes of the nation remained fixed on Spollen County, awaiting the resolution of a story that had captured the collective imagination and left an indelible mark on the annals of legal history. In the end, the Willis-Wade saga would be remembered not only as a courtroom drama but as a reflection of the broader struggles and triumphs of a society grappling with issues of power, privilege, and the pursuit of justice. Whether it ended in victory or defeat, the story of Willis and Wade would serve as a reminder of the enduring complexities of the human condition and the eternal quest for truth and redemption.